Hello everybody, I hope everybody's okay. This is Mrs. Mohiuddin and I wanted to talk to you today about Earth Day. Earth Day is coming up on April 22nd and it's a very important day. It's the day that we remember how important it is for us to take care of the earth. But we don't do that just one day of year. We have to do it every day. We have to conserve water. We have to conserve electricity. We need to take care and make sure our environment's clean and neat. So there's so many things that we can do. Some things we can do is we can reduce, reuse, and recycle. So I've got a couple of things here that I want to show you that I've been collecting some things, and I want you guys to see some of these things I'm collecting. Collecting this box, just an empty box. There's another box. There's a little bag here, a tin can, Doritos bag. I had a snack. And then a bag. This is an old bag. It's been laying around the house for a while. Okay, and so I'm going to try to do something with these. And I want you guys to see if you would like to do this too. Okay, with this bag, I was thinking, what could I do with this bag? Okay, it looks like it's almost the shape of a square. And I always think when I have something that's the shape of a square, I can always make something special out of it, something that I really like. Okay, but I want to make sure it is a square, so I'm going to fold it this way. Okay, so then I'm going to make sure when I fold it like that, I'll be able to make sure that all the sides are equal because, you know, in a square, all the sides are equal. Okay, so I'm going to cut it like this to cut it off and make sure that it's a proper square. There we go. Now it looks like a square, doesn't it? Okay, now I'm going to cut it open. All the way around. Then I'll have 2 sheets of paper, won't I? Make sure if you try this, you ask your mom it's okay, so you use the scissors. Some of you might not have a big piece of paper at home, but you can do this with the small paper too. You don't have to have a big piece of paper. There you go. See, now I've got 2 squares. Okay, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to fold it once like this. Okay, now I've got a triangle. And then I'm going to fold it again like this. And then it's a smaller triangle, different type of triangle too. Okay, then I'm going to fold it one more time. Some of you might know what I'm doing because we've done this at school before. Okay, now I'm going to cut. I like to cut this corner off right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a snowflake. Okay, this paper is going to be on the inside. The markings are going to be on the inside. I always like to cut off the top part of it because I think it makes it look really pretty. I'm going to cut it like this. So this cut I made there. Okay, then I'm going to cut here. That's so strange, isn't it? Make sure you don't cut this edge here. Or if you do, you just cut a little bit off of it. Okay, so I cut that out. Go up here again. There we go. See what I've done? I'm going to do it again. Just keep cutting. It doesn't matter, you don't have to make such deep cuts. You can make small little cuts too. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this right here on the edge like this. Should I cut a little bit more? I think I'll cut up here a little bit. Okay, now, I've done all my cuts. Do you see what I've done? How I've cut everything off? Now I'm going to open it up. Let's see, what do I have? Isn't it pretty? I like these type things. Okay, now what I'll do, if I want to, I can like use it to give it to somebody as a present, or I can use it for decorating something else. I think it's really pretty. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it with my Doritos bag. Okay, because I don't want to use the outside of the Doritos bag. I want to use the inside of the Doritos bag. Okay, so now remember what I'm going to do. First I'm going to fold it to make a square. So I fold it like this. Actually, I think I'm going to cut this end off first. It's going to be hard for me to cut that off. I want to make sure it's a square. So cut that off. Now I'm going to fold it like that. This one is kind of moving around. And then I'm going to cut it off at the top. Let's see if I've got a square when I'm finished with that. There we go. It's a square. All the sides are the same. Okay, then I'm going to open up this side and open up this side. I washed this bag out before I used it. You shouldn't leave it laying around if it's dirty because then sometimes you can get bugs coming. So I washed it first. Okay, see how pretty it is on the inside? Okay, now I'm going to fold it again. Remember how I folded it last time? I folded it like this. And then I folded it like this. Okay, now I made a smaller triangle. This one's a little bit slippery, so it's not quite as easy to do as the paper bag was, but I'm doing the best I can with it, okay? Now, I've got it like this, and I'm going to do the same type of cuts. Okay, first I'm going to cut the top off. I always like, see what it did when I cut the top off? It made this in the middle, this little pretty hole there. See? So I'm going to try to do that again because I really like the way that looks. Cut that off. There. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different so it will look a little bit different. I'm going to cut here. I'm going to cut a deep one here. Like that. It's joined here still. Okay, I'm going to cut these corners off because I like that. Cut this off right here, this corner here. And then I'm going to come in here and do some little designs here, here, here. See, I didn't quite cut it enough. I have to make sure I cut it properly so it pops out of there. There, there. And then this one has to come out too. And cut this one here. I'm pulling them out. Because it's plastic, it's hard to get it to pop out easily. This is the last cut I'm making. There, I made all my cuts in this. Do you see the cuts? Okay, now I'm going to open this. Let's see what this looks like. Wow. Oh, look how pretty. I think that's really nice. See? Here you go. You can see it now. You can maybe give that to your mom as a present. Maybe she'll like that. Or you can hang it up in your room, put it on the wall. There's so many things you can do. I wonder what I can do with these other things that are here. This box, this can. I don't know, I might try those later on. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys are getting all your work done at home, at your homeschool. We're missing you. Bye.